That's the water there. Diyan. Ang kakain kami dito. Ayan. Kakain kami dito, katabi ng tubig. Tapos mamaya ay sasakay kami sa barko na naman. Kasi doon kami mag-unwind sa sunset. Ayan. See? Please no sticker, guys. Thank you for watching. Please no sticker. No sticker, please. Thank you. No sticker. Don't send a sticker, please. Thank you.